Hello, presenting a project Smart Ration Distribution System by Sakshi Nikinha, Shweta Karikar, Shrikant Jotavar and Vaishnavi Prabhunin. Abstract. The main goal of a planned system is the real-time authentication of the consumer and automation of the distribution of the ration in the ration shop. The purpose for our designing of this smart rationing system, in which it is based on smart card, is that it replaces the present paper-based ration card system. Once the card is scanned, the consumer enters the password followed by his fingerprint scanning to automate the dispensing of the commodities using a solenoid valve. At the end, the consumer also receives a message once the commodities are dispensed. Objectives. There are a lot of drawbacks in the present rationing system. Few of them are incorrect quantity of ration dispersed to the consumer, low speed of disbursement, long waiting time for the consumer, material theft in the ration shop, corruption, malpractices, and so on. Our main objective is to overcome all these drawbacks. Methodology. Start. Consumer registers to the government portal, and once he is registered, he gets a smart card with a unique password. At the shop, the consumer needs to show the card and enter the shop. The consumer scans the smart card, enters password and scans his or her fingerprint. Now, if the fingerprint and password are correct, the information of the user is displayed. If the fingerprint and the password are incorrect, alarm is triggered. Next, once the information is displayed, the consumer selects the ration, the quantity that he requires, and then payment is done. Once payment is done, the commodities are dispensed through the automatic dispenser. After dispensing, the database is updated and SMS is sent to the consumer. Finally, stop. This is the basic block diagram of our project. The main processor we are using here is Arduino Mega 2560. Through keyboard we given all the inputs. Fingerprint scanner R305 is the module where we scan the fingerprint. RFID reader EM18 is to identify the consumer. Buzzer is triggered if there is any false behavior of the consumer. GSM module SIM900 is used to transmit message after the commodities are dispensed. An automatic dispensing system is to dispense the materials from the ration shop. Hardware that we have used in our system: our processor Arduino Mega 2560. It is the main controller board that we've used. Fingerprint module R305. We are using this for biometric scan of the consumer. Radio frequency identification EM18 is to identify the user. GSM module SIM900A is to transmit the messages once the commodities are dispensed. Mini buzzer 5V is to detect unusual behavior of the consumer. 2-channel relay driver is to control circuit by providing low power. Infrared sensor LM393 is to detect if the bag is present before the commodities are dispensed. 24V RO solenoid valve is to open and close the valve, and this valve is for liquid. Ultrasonic level sensor is to detect the level of the liquid present in the container. Push-pull solenoid valve 12V DC is to open and close the valve, and this is for the solid commodities. Load cell is to measure the weight after the commodities are dispensed. This load cell can carry maximum up to 40 kgs. Load cell amplifier HX711 increases the strength of the signals coming from the load cell. Softwares that we've used: Arduino IDE. This is to write and upload the programs to Arduino compatible ports. Python. We've used Python to interface XAMPP server with our components, and we've used PHP to create web page. The server we are using here is XAMPP server, which is a local web development environment. Experimental results. The following experimental analysis shows the efficient and transparent behavior of a developed PDS. For demonstration purpose, we've used wheat as solid material and we've used water as liquid material to test the entire setup. This accuracy table 1 is with wheat as dispensing material for 250 grams. In this table, we have compared the actual grams that is being dispensed by the load cell, and we've compared it with the weighing machine. This is the graph with wheat dispensing material for 250 grams. This accuracy table 2 with wheat as dispensing material for 500 grams, and here too we have compared it with a weighing machine. This is the comparison graph for 500 grams of wheat. Now this table is for water, for dispensing it for 100 ml. This is the graph for dispensing material for 100 ml. This table 4 with water as dispensing material for 200 ml. And this accuracy graph with water as dispensing material for 200 ml. Results. The table 1, which was for 250 grams, showed the maximum accuracy of 99.96% with load cell when compared to the weighing machine. Similarly, table 2, which was 500 grams, shows maximum accuracy of 99.78 with the load cell when compared to the weighing machine. The maximum accuracy for table 3 and 4 for 100 ml and 200 ml is 99.6 respectively. Hence, the proposed system is fast, accurate and secure. The total time required from login of the system, then authentication up to the dispensing of the commodities, it would take around 8 minutes. But when we compare that with the traditional ration system, the traditional rationing system requires around 45 minutes. Societal relevance. This system is completely automated with no human intervention, resulting in 24/7 operation like an ATM machine. Automatic ration distribution with a mechanized dispensing assembly. It is corruption free, and forged ration delivery problems are minimized to large extent. There are 3 levels of real-time authentication of the consumer: RFID based smart card, password and biometric scan. The government database is also updated after each transaction, and SMS alert will also be sent to the consumer once the material is dispensed. The government authorities alerted in case of any theft or malpractice. Conclusion. This smart distribution idea helps to eradicate the corruption and malpractices in overall system of rationing by providing transparency at every level. This is the novel approach of smart automatic rationing system with automatic dispensing of essential commodities at reduced price and is helpful to every citizen of India. Considering this smart development to bring a large change in the current days in India, which would contribute to Digital India initiative along with the scheme of corruption-free India and also become a part of e-governance that is being presently undertaken by India. The system will lead to easy purchase of essential commodities. It is automated and time-saving approach leading to transparency in rationing system, which in turn creates direct connection amongst the people of India and government through electronic media, leading to smart and developed nation. Future scope. In near future, high quality sensors and hardwares can be used for efficient implementation. Now this automatic rationing system can also be converted into regional languages. It can also be used for dispensing of medicines. It could also be used in food marts and food storing sectors. In near future, payment can be done online by connecting consumers' bank accounts directly to the PDS account. Due to this, human intervention in transaction can also be reduced completely. GPS tracking of the PDS delivery trucks can also be done. Online quotation can be opened for farmers, connecting them directly with the government authorities. Thank you.
Hello everybody. So this is the demonstration of our project. So first we'll see what all components we have used. First one is Arduino Mega 2560, which is our main controller board. A fingerprint module R305, which is used for the biometric scanning. Radio frequency identification, which is used for the identification purpose. GSM module SIM900A, which is used for transmitting messages. Mini buzzer, which is used to detect the unusual behavior. The relay driver, which controls the circuit by providing a low power. Infrared sensor, which is used to detect the bag whether it is present or not. Solenoid valve, RO solenoid valve, which is used to open and close the valve. The ultrasonic sensor, which is used to detect the level of the liquid. Push-pull solenoid valve, which is used to open and close the valve. Load cell, which is present to measure the weight. Here in our project, we are using XAMPP server to host the website. The Apache and the MySQL should be in the running state. The processor we are using here is Arduino Mega, and this is our code. It has been uploaded. We are using Python to interface XAMPP and the hardware. So this is the code. Now we have to run the module. It is running smoothly. Now we'll be going to the local host. This is our website. First we have to log in to the website. We have to enter the user ID and the password. This is first we have to scan the RFID card. Now we have to check if it is successful. You can say that the authentication is successful. Next we have to scan a fingerprint. Again we need to check. Authentication successful. We have to submit. So these are the details of the family members. Now this is the quantity of the ration that is to be distributed. 250 grams of ration is distributed here. So this is the demo. Now 250 grams of wheat is dispensed, and after the 250 grams is dispensed, the valve is closed. The dispensing of wheat is done. (100 ml) of water is dispensed now. You can now see here we can see the exact amount of water that is being dispensed. 100 ml of water is dispensed here. You can now see the amount to be paid is shown on the website. Once the ration is dispensed, a message is sent to the customer that the authentication is successful.